Affordable warmth and energy efficiency are the need of the hour. But how is Cardiff Council achieving this affordable warmth? Let's find out in their new development, Addison House.
I'm Asmat Price. I work for Cardiff Council Housing Services. I'm the Older Persons Accommodation Manager. Today we're at Addison House, our first new build community living scheme. It's for people over the age of 60. Everybody lives independently, so they have their own front door, their own living room, kitchen, bathroom, etc. And there's lots of communal spaces which they can utilise, so they can get involved as much or as little as they want, really. It's all about creating communities and looking after people, their health and well-being, and encouraging people to get together and mixing with each other. Loneliness and social isolation is quite big on our agenda, and health and well-being, so it's trying to make sure that we meet that agenda. So this building has 44 flats, 2 which are step-down properties. They're fully accessible, each individual flat. We have a rooftop terrace for our residents to make use of, with spectacular views all across Cardiff and further afield. We have a communal lounge upstairs for residents, and we have a communal lounge downstairs, both which have fully fitted kitchens. We have a guest suite where residents, families or friends can stay overnight for a very minimal charge. There's a communal laundry as well. This is a really eco-friendly building as well, so there's ground source heat pumps. There's solar panels, which we're hoping going forward that we'll be able to share some of that benefit with our residents as well.
So I'm really grateful to Asmat and Cardiff Council for showing this is an incredible communal living older person scheme. The work that's gone into make it accessible. But I also love the fact that it combines also with design elements of decarbonisation, the heat pumps, the solar PV panels that are all over here, and it's well thought out with Cero technology behind it, so that we create a lovely living space, but also a low carbon, sustainable living, and that's got to be good for society.
Solar panels, the turbine generate electricity nearby. This is future living.